grit, passionate with reels, trying to win. Vibe stay real from the start to the end. Story times, wow. Come sip this tea. Subscribe, tune in. It's Shanergy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you won't miss every time I post. Hey y'all, welcome to Shanergy, Life by Sharon B. So I'm going to jump right into this about my YouTube earnings. So I got 5,605 subscribers, and today I'm breaking down exactly how much YouTube has paid me since I've got monetized. We're talking real numbers, real growth, and real talk about what's working and what's not. And in order to be paid on YouTube, you have to reach a threshold of $100. So let me go into breaking down exactly what I've made. So here's what I earned month by month. And I didn't get my first pay until December. Started getting paid. And in December, I earned $1.02. That was in December. And then the month of January, I earned $2.67. And in February, I earned $5.70. And then in March was my best month. I brought in $19.32. And then in April, I brought in $5.89. And in May so far, I brought in $3.13. That March boost, it came from uploading more long form content. Most of my earnings, about 85%, come from skippable video ads. Those are the longer ads viewers can skip after 5 seconds. Short feed ads pay a little bit, but not nearly as much. Still, every penny adds up. I'm giving you guys the real. So in the last 28 days, my short hit 7,100 views. That's 4,100 more than usual. But here's the key stat. So 42.1% of viewers stayed to watch and 57.9% swiped away. That really matters, because if people swipe away too soon, I don't get paid. The more people who actually watch, the better my revenue and visibility. Because guys, right now I'm struggling on YouTube and I'm just trying to figure this out. So also, most of my traffic comes from YouTube Shorts feeds and browse features. My CTR, my click-through rate isn't shown clearly for shorts, but for long form videos, it's everything. A higher CTR means more people are clicking on my thumbnails, which leads to more views, more ad plays, and more money. Video so far was my Zifty side hustle revenue, which earned $1.15, and then my video Why I Quit Live Ops, which earned me 89 cents, and then my medical carrier vlog, which earned me 47 cents, and my top shorts that made 48 cents. Most shorts bring in cents, but they bring in subscribers, and that's gold long term. This journey has been slow and steady. New viewers find me every day, but it's the returning viewers, you guys, who keep me going. If you're growing your own channel, know this: every upload matters, every view helps. You never know which video is gonna pop. So if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Shanergy, Life by Sharon B, and this glow up is just getting started. So this was just a little short video on a breakdown on how much I'm really making on YouTube. Nothing to quit my job about or anything. It's going very slow. So I just say keep going, stick in there, just keep uploading. I try to upload as much as I can. I'm trying to stick to it. I try to, you know, stay consistent as I can. I like long form and shorts, so I try to drop both. But I'm working more on my long form videos, and not too long. Like, I like to keep them between 8 and 12 minutes. That actually works for my channel, because for some reason longer videos for me, I have longer ones, doesn't do as well as shorter ones. But this one was a real short one, just breaking down really what I'm making on YouTube. I am monetized on all of my social medias except for Instagram, and I'm gonna say this, YouTube, I am trying to build this as a business. I want to keep this going, you know, for a long time. I want to build this. I'm building this slowly, but I want to have people that actually want to rock with me and have a real audience. Like, I'm willing to be patient, and I'm so thankful for you guys who are rocking with me, who have subscribed, who has stuck with me on this channel. And like, again, I haven't been monetized that long, only since October, and I had some things go on my channel where I wasn't able to upload. I may make a video the reason why I wasn't uploading as much long form. I had some things go on where I was having trouble with uploading and everything like that, but now I have that resolved. And some happened where my ads had stopped they had stopped my ads for a couple months. I really don't know what happened, guys. All I know is after a couple months they started back adding the ads to my channel. So that was mostly why I didn't make a lot for a few months. They sent me an email, YouTube sent me an email where they had some reason limited my ads. Well, one problem was I was having trouble. So the biggest part why my ads was limited is because YouTube, when you get monetized, you have to verify they send something to your address. Well, I moved and they sent the verification where they send this number and you have to put it in. Well, I moved and I did not get the what they sent for me to put in that number, and you had to wait like some weeks before you can even request a new one. So I had to wait weeks before I could request a new one. It was like a couple of months. So they stopped running my ads because of that. And I finally got it resolved where I got it sent to my correct address where I could verify myself. So that was my biggest problem since October. I hadn't been verified. They give you so long to do it. Like, I reached the last point of verifying myself. So until I was able to verify myself, ads was not running as much or running at all, I don't think, on my channel. But now that I'm verified and everything is up to date, and you know, I got everything how it's supposed to be, where I'm getting the ads and I'm getting paid now, I'm not having any issues. So I'll retouch on this again to find, you know, just to see what my revenue is what my revenue would be since I have corrected those issues now that I'm verified. So I'll touch back again in a few months or whenever I reach that threshold of my full pay, you know, you had to reach. So that's what this video is. It's just a little update. I did a video before stating my revenue, but this is an update since then, and this is, you know, the real breakdown. I'm giving the real breakdown of what I'm making, how I'm uploading. I upload often, and I do upload shorts and long form. So that was just what I wanted to touch bases on, why my ads had stopped for those months and how it affected my channel. It affected my channel gravely. The other thing, I don't know if it affected like me being put out in the algorithm, because my views are down way low. I got, over 5,000 subscribers, but only so many people. So from October to now, I made $72.44.